Hello student, today we will continue exercise 5.1 chapter 5th arithmetic progression, sum number 3, which is on your screen. For the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. We know that arithmetic progression, each term can be obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. APs are 3 plus 1 minus 1 minus 3. So A is 3. D, A2 minus A1 plus 1 minus 3, it makes minus 2. Part second, A1 minus 5. D, A2 minus A1, which is, open the bracket, makes plus 5. Common difference is 4. Part third, A1 or A1 by 3. D, A2 5 by 3 minus A1 1 by 3. Take LCM. It makes 4 by 3. Part 4th, first term 0.6. D, A2 minus A1, A1, A2, A3, A4. 1.7 minus 0.6 makes 1.1. That is the answer. Next, sum number 4. Which of the following APs, if they form AP, then find the common difference D, and we have to find 3 more terms. First part, here series terms are 1, A1 2, A2 4, A3 8, A4 16. First we will check given terms are in AP or not. For it we will find D, common difference. If D is same, then the terms are in AP. If D is not same, then terms are not in AP. D1, A2 minus A1, 4 minus 2 makes 2. Next D, 8 minus 4, 4. Here D is not same. So terms are not in AP. Second part, A1 2, A2 5 by 2, A3 3, A4 7 by 2. We will find D1, A2 minus A1. Take LCM, we have 1 by 2. D2, A3 minus A2. It makes also 1 by 2 after taking LCM. D3, A4 minus A3. It makes 1 by 2. Here D1, D2, D3 are same. So terms are in AP. If in AP, then we have to find 3 more terms. Means to say A5, A6, A7. A5, we can write it as A plus 4D. A is 2 plus 4 into 1 by 2 makes 4. A6, A plus 5D, put the values. We have 9/2, A7, A plus 6D, put the values. We have 5. So terms are 4, 9/2 and 5. 3 more terms. Now the next part, third. A1, A2, A3, A4. First we will check given terms are in AP or not. A1, A2, A3, A4, D. D1, A2 minus A1. Minus 2. D2, A3 minus A2. D3, here D1, D2, D3 are same. Common difference is same. So terms are in AP. If in AP, then we will find A5, A6, A7. 3 more terms. A plus n minus 1D. So we can write it as A plus 4D. Put the values. 4 to the 8. Minus minus plus. A5 is minus 9.2. A plus 5D. A is 1.2. 5 into minus 2. It makes minus 11.2. A plus 6D. We have minus 13.2. So the answer terms are 1, minus 9.2, A5, A6, A7 is the answer. Part 4th. A1, A2, A3, A4, D1. Minus 6 minus minus 10 open the bracket becomes 4. Next D, A3 minus A1 also 4. D3, A4 minus A3 becomes 4. Here D is same. So terms are in AP. We will find 3 more terms. A5, A6, A7. Easy questions. Scoring chapter also. A plus 6d, 6 into 4 makes 14. Hence the 3 more terms are 6, 10, 14 is the answer. Next is part 5th, important part. A1, A2, A3, A4. First we will find D1. A2 minus A1. Cancel. Here D1 is 2. Next, minus, use bracket because of binomial expression. We have 1 root 2. D3, use bracket, open the bracket, cancel 3 from 3, 3 minus 2 1, 1 root 2. Here D is same. So terms are in AP. If terms are in AP, then we will find A5, A6, A7. A is 3, 4, D is root 2. Answer. A plus 5D. 3 plus 5 root 2. A plus 6D. 3 plus 6 root 2. Answer. Part 6. A1, A2, A3, A4. D1. Subtract, we have 0.02. Next, D2. A3 minus A2, we have after subtracting 0.002. D is not same. That's why terms are not in AP. If terms are not in AP, then we will not find next 3 terms. Part 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, easy parts. You have to try yourself and give me comment in comment box. Part 11th. A square, A cube, A power 4. D, A square minus A, take A common, remaining part A minus 1. Next D, A cube minus A square, take common A square, A minus 1. Here D is not same. So terms are not in AP, or terms are not from AP, we can say. Next part. A2 minus A1, 8. We can write it as 2 root 2. 2 root 2 minus root 2 makes 1 root 2. D2, root 18 minus root 8. 18. We can write it as 3 root 2 makes 1 root 2. Next D3, root 32 minus root 18. We can write it as 4 root 2. 3 root 2 makes 1 root 2. Here D is same. That is why terms are in AP. A5, A6, A7, A plus 4D, A, D root 2. It makes 5 root 2. Pure surd. The statement is in pure surd. When we solve it, it becomes 5 square 25, 25 to the 50. A plus 5D makes 6 root 2. After solving, we have 72. A plus 6D, 7 root 2, it makes root 98. Answer root 50, root 72, root 98. Next part 13. A1, A2, A3, A4, D. We can write it as 2 3s are 6 minus root 3. Root 3 take common. We have root 2 minus 1. Next D. We can write it as 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. Take common root 3. Remaining part. D is not same. That is why terms are not in AP. Next part. 1 square 1, 3 3s are 9, 5 5s are 25, 7 7s are 49. D1. 9 minus 1, 8. D2. 25 minus 9 makes 16. Terms are not in AP because D is not same. Next and last part of this exercise, part 5th. D1. 5 square minus 1 square, 24. D2. 7 7s are 49, 5 5s are 25, makes 24. D3. Also 24. D is same. So terms are in AP. Now we will find A5, A6, A7, A. D. A plus 5D. A plus 6D. Six 4s are 24. 6 2s are 12 plus 2 14 makes 145. Terms are 97, 121, 145 is the answer. Thank you.